You don't face your fears, you ride them. It was a cheesy line from the movie Twisters that I saw this weekend. But I'm a sucker for those kind of lines. And, when the main character, this tornado wrangler dude, said it, I was like, oh my God, that's good. There's some truth to that. It's not so much facing fears, it's moving through them. Brene Brown, the shame author based here in Houston, talks a lot about walking through shame. That it's a process. You don't just suddenly become not ashamed of something. You kind of move through the process. And riding your fears is kind of the same thing. You kind of move through the process, move through the experience. And as you move through it, it gets a little easier. And that second time you ride it, it's going to get a little more easier. Forgive my English teacher for that sentence right there. So yeah, as you're sitting around this week, think about what fears you're going to ride and strap yourself in and have a little adventure. I'm Kevin Cotter. This is ReBuilt. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, follow, or send me a DM depending on the platform you're watching this on. Let's keep the conversation going.